Professor Hotfeet, the two major political parties in this country have always had a leadership problem. He also stated quite frankly that whenever there is a leadership issue in any organization, it's a sign that the current leader is not in charge. A recent poll cooked up by Phil Johnson has placed the People's Food Party in the #1 position. The one candidate that everyone is talking about is the newly nominated Ranny Jones, who will run in the westerly North-South New Kingston constituency. He's an engineer by profession and comes from a very large family of 14 children. The surprising thing about Ranny Jones is that he has no children of his own, though he's married to 2006 beauty contestant Thelma Heath. Ranny is the PFP spokesman on agriculture with special emphasis on corn and cassava, otherwise known as Kisada.
What is wrong with this? Sir. What the hell is wrong with her? Hello, Ronnie Jones here. Hey, Hardley, what's up, man? Yes, man, I got the message, man. I will be at the party. Don't worry yourself. Eh? No, man. Hey, you did see the backside on the girl, you know? All right. Don't worry yourself, man. Your secret's safe with me, all right? All right, good. Tell you this man not easy at all, man. Jesus Christ, man. What the hell is wrong with it?
Well, hello there, handsome.
I have to go back on the road, here.
Honey, where are you going again?
I have a party meeting.
But it's our anniversary. You just got home.
I know, but you know the party come first, man.
You know this is damn foolishness. How can you be out working for the people when the little job that I have in the bedroom is not being done? You know, Mr. Jones, if you continue like this, you may find yourself becoming the Minister of Agriculture in your party, but the opposition spokesman of mining in this party.
Tell me, I don't want you forgetting that marrying me was the best damn thing that ever happened to you.
You know, you're so damn cocky.
Cocky is right.
So what do you want me to do? Impregnate myself?
Might as well you do that. And you know, really and truly, I'm sick and tired of running down the pitch, Pulling my best bouncers. And up to now, I can't even get a wicket.
You know what your problem is? You're not watching your line or your length. I think you're bowling too damn wide off the mark.
You know, tell me that's not the problem, You know what is really the That's not the problem, tell me. You know what is the problem? You're not listening to me when I talk to you. Because I look at you and I said, baby, let's have a baby now, man. But then all you ever seem to talk about is sex, Thelma. I'm changing around again and I said, all right, let's start a family then. But all you ever worry about is multiple orgasms. Thelma, you know what I realize? That you just don't get it. And that's precisely why you won't be getting it.
The doctors already told us that we only have a 35% chance of becoming pregnant. How then can we convert that into having a baby when you're absent from the bedroom 100% of the time? You see, the only thing I want from you right now is a very high sperm count.
What? You dare to question my sperm count? Then you don't seem to realize, that I come every time that I go. Then it's not a little 38 pipe I firing round here, Then my Zuzi I firing. Rah! Rah!
So far, you have failed to impress me with those shots, so they must be blanks. And, if you're referring to that small speck of liquid that comes out of your manhood, that couldn't even drown an ant.
I have the perfect response for you, but I'm going to hold it. It's better I go concentrate on my election campaign. At least I guarantee to win that, because I'm certainly not winning nothing around here.
You go right ahead and work on that election campaign of yours. I should have known when we were getting married that you're a politician, so you could not have been taken at your word.
Damn right. I am a politician, Thelma. And you of all people should know that as a politician, we never have one plan yet. Hey, you don't notice them boys out there in politics. You see when they move at that party and it's not working out, they jump to the other party. And you see when the other party start flip-flop, Thelma, they jump back to the first party. It's called forward planning, Thelma. That is why I, Ranny Jones, always have my plan A or B. Thank you.
When you go right ahead and work on that plan B. But you see, while you're working on that plan, you will be mindful of my plan F, see? You think it's only Beverly Manley alone can give bun? I burn him in fort.
No. You listen to me. You just make sure that it's Dr. Susan First that is written on that check when I get there to pick it up. Dr. Susan First. Good. Oh my God, man.
Boy, Susan, that is always happened to you.
What is the matter with these people?
I think you should get married and change that last name of yours, you know.
I must tell you, is the same thing happened to me today in the bank?
You know, but why do bad things happen to good women?
Same thing I'm trying to say to you.
You know, I'm faithful, I'm educated, and I support my husband in all that he does. Why?
Thelma, it's not everything in life can be explained, you know, as I'm trying to say to you.
I know that you know, Susan. But you know, some girls have kids by the dozen and they don't even know who the father is. You know, should be able to have children.
And they really don't care, you know. But tell me something, how badly does your husband want to have children?
Very badly.
Oh.
You know, it has gotten so bad. I think if I don't give him a child soon, a divorce is imminent.
No, why would you think about that? Think about something else, no woman.
Susan, you know we had a fight last night.
How badly was it?
That's the third one this week. You know, I think he's going to get somebody who's pregnant, you know.
Think about something else, woman.
Susan, I'm a woman. I'm just reading between the lines.
Well, take something else out of the line and read it for Christ's sake. Good gosh, man.
You know, how long have you been friends?
We've been friends for quite a while, you know. What?
So why can't you get me pregnant? Susan, I need to feel like a woman, you know. Susan, read me now.
Don't get too desperate now, you know. Tell me something. Have you ever thought about an adoption?
My husband would never go for that.
Have you ever thought about someone having the child for you?
Surrogacy?
Come on, tell me, man. They do these things in India as a business, you know. Let me tell you something. You see, if you sell him the idea properly, especially if he loves you, he'll go for it. And if he doesn't love you, then what the hell is saving the marriage? You move on, man. Move on.
So where would we find such a girl? Like, how much would this cost?
Well, most importantly, you know, it wouldn't cost you much. And, you know, we'll find the right girl with the right attributes who's humble and just suitable just for the job, you know. And we'll get sperm from Ranny to impregnate the girl.
You know, she has to be fairly tall, because my husband is not attracted to short girls.
You come here 1 minute now. No, you tell me something. How did he marry you?
Yeah, that's a long story, you know.
What did I tell you? All the details that you can tell, you know?
Oh, honey, you're home. How was your day today?
Hey, Mr. Jones, how was your day today? Good stuff. So how was your day today?
Tell me something, Doc. Have you ever had one of those days yet where you're happy but sad at the same time?
I know what you mean about that.
You know, I just coming from the hospital.
What in God's name is
My
that?
younger brother.
Oh.
Just turned 22, you know.
22?
Had his first child today.
Congratulations, man! Thelma, you know, rather brother just have his first child today, you know. So tell me something. How are they doing?
Well, they're doing fine.
Oh, good.
But I can't say the same for me. I mean, I'm almost twice his age, you know, Doc.
Well,
and I don't have a child yet.
Oh.
Will you give yourself some psychological breathing space? Yeah. The doctor has something to discuss with us.
Thelma, if that won't end with you getting pregnant, don't talk to me.
Well, you see, I've come up with a plan. I mean, Thelma and I have come up with a plan. That we'll find a woman who'll bear a child just for you.
What? What are you saying to me, Doc? That will write off, Thelma?
Thelma! Good man. What name is wrong with you, man? Come on, man, have a little compassion, man. Have a little heart. Listen, Thelma is infertile. Is either that or an adoption, you know?
I will find somebody else to breed.
Oh. You know, you're talking shit.
No.
No, why is it that every time we come up with a solution to this problem, you go ahead and make it worse?
This problem? But it's not about this problem, Thelma. It's your problem. You know, you were the one that told me when we got married, you know, that you would have been able to have children. Now all of a sudden you want to come and be doctor first.
Oh.
Look at it, no, man.
Well,
I mean, I'm a politician, for Christ's sake, you know. You know, all we do is kiss babies. Now imagine, I'm there on the campaign trail, right? And I'm kissing babies, and all of a sudden, from the back of the audience, a man shout out, some ass ran, when are you going to kiss your horn? Ooh. Can you imagine how that feels? Do you have this?
You know, you're standing there complaining. I'm not even sure if you can get anyone pregnant.
Go for your sister, bring come.
You know, you're passing the place. But you see, if you think that the sun revolves around the earth and it's not the other way around, you need to take a freaking trip to the moon. You son of a bitch.
Aye, Thelma. Don't think you're going to fire them shot down, just walk away like that, you know. Thelma, come back here.
Granny?
Shut up. Oh. Thelma Jones, I demand that you put your foot right back here right now, you know, woman.
Right.
Because shut up. Thelma, you know what the reality of the situation is? I am really getting sick and tired of you blaming me for your inefficiencies, you know. I shut up. No, man. Look at it, Thelma. Look at it, no, man. I'm a me can't breed. It's you.
Granny, for Christ's sake, that's your wife for crying out loud, man. How can you speak to her in such a manner? Why don't you try to use this strength to solve the problem instead of making the problem worse than it really is, you know? You need a drink. Gosh.
Doctor first. You know I'm going to allow you to get away with what you just said here a while ago. And that's because I have some respect for you, you know. Oh, you see what just happened in here? It's my private affair. Some would appreciate it if you would just butt out.
You know you're so goddamn right about that. You are so blasting right about that. Because the men like you are always find blanks and too ignorant to accept it, Randy Jones. But it doesn't matter who you go to, your problem will never be solved. You can go ahead and disrespect your wife. But let me tell you something, Randy Jones. I'm out of here. Really out of order and you know, I just cannot believe you. Good gosh, man. Mercy.
Doctor first.
What is it?
Come back here.
You're something else.
Come on back inside, man. I don't know if you realize this, you know, but I will be the one paying you. Come back inside. Please.
Good, man. Have a little compassion, man. Have a little heart, for Christ's sake.
Doc, look, I know that I mean that I've been going about this thing the correct way, you know. And believe it or not, I really love my wife, and I just want to find a solution.
Then if you love your wife, think about it. Think about it. It's a very sensitive matter, Ronnie. So you have to treat it with sensitivity, or someone is bound to get hurt, man. Good.
I know. All right, just explain the whole surrogacy thing.
Are you willing to give a listening
I'm
ear?
listening, Doc. Jeez.
Well, first and foremost, we'll find a woman who will bear a child for you. And that child is yours for care and development.
And where you gonna find a woman like that?
Ah, that's where I come in, you know. I'll make sure I find someone who has the right attributes, who's humble and just for their job, you know.
I don't. Doc, you know, I just worry that you may go and find somebody with a questionable background, you know, man.
That's where I come in, you know. I make sure I find someone who doesn't know anything about you, because we don't want this to get out in the media.
But, Doc, you know, sometimes I just think a divorce might be simpler, you know.
A divorce? In the middle of your election campaign?
Come on, Mr. Jones, think about it.
Think about it.
All right, tell me something. If I should agree to work with what you say, what sort of money we're talking about?
We're talking about like $3 million, you know. And
That's all right, man. I thought it was more than that. That's good.
And that's exclusive of my fee.
Yeah, I said it was okay.
$3 million.
Doc, $3 million a chicken feed, you know, man. Listen to me. I go and work with what you say, you see? But I have a couple suggestions of my own that you going to have to run with.
Well, let us hear.
No. You see this girl that you're going to get? She has to be short.
Short?
She also has to be brown. And I don't mean a bleach brown.
Okay.
No, she has to have long hair, bow legs. Oh, and she cannot have any boyfriend, you hear? most importantly, she should not have any children. All right?
No children?
No.
Come on, Mr. Jones, we have to get someone with better experience. So in God's name you think this is going to work? Think about it.
You're right. I'll concede on that one, but that's the only one, right? But, oh, yeah. I know you're talking about money now. But you know, I can't touch the whole money thing myself. So what it is, I'm stopped by the office on Monday.
Monday?
Speak with Rose. Tell her you're there to collect the check for the constituency children's fund.
The check for the constituency children's fund?
Yes, ma'am.
I like it. Thelma, I'm off now, you know. Your husband is sealed the deal. By the way, Mr. Jones, I really must tell you, you know, you politicians really know how to rob people.
Watch ya, and that me can't take with them, you know. That I mean, what the phone seat, who lick well seat?
I'm living on my head with full DD.
What you licky little girl with 4DD in her head for? And me I take for a grub?
Yes, mommy.
Come here, I lick him in a female. Yes, he even know what teaching you from now not to take shit from anybody. Jesus, peace, man. Don't get too much blasted trouble, man. Sure. Can't bother with you no at all. I'm coming. Yeah, hello. Yeah, me name Delcita. For me gate. The woman if you dare me gate, you know, come on in my yard and tap, we see all of me credit. Outside.
You're Delcita?
Yeah, you call me little well.
Oh, yes.
Me know your face. Yeah, man, your face always come on TV when they got disaster. Look here, you will have to me zing blow off in a storm and he blow by the woman there and look back one alone.
I'm not here to speak to you about that, you know.
Oh, election? Me never vote. Me no idea.
No, I'm not here to speak to you on that either.
I want it.
You see, my name is Dr. Susan Fest.
Rotted, me must be sick bad then.
Well, I hope not. You see, I'm here from Kingston.
Kingston?
Yes.
Kingston?
Yes.
Why? Murder, why? Why? My boyfriend, he drive taxi, mom, and he left here this morning, can't one trip gone at all. Me tell him no go.
Listen.
He lick you at all, mom? No. No, talking that shooting kill you at all?
It's nothing like that, you know.
What then?
You're Delcita, right?
Yeah.
You have two sisters, one by the name of Jennifer.
I want you and Pamela, true woman that got me a come and go tell about it with Jesus, miss. Me say, Pamela and Jennifer, they bright so tell. You see, Pamela and Jennifer, they there one university where play.
Germany.
Oh, you know, sir. Yes. Me say, me could have did that with them, you know. But you see, there when me mother send me if you go take a common chance exam.
You mean common entrance?
Yeah, that one day, I seek so tell. So me mother say, all right, no worry yourself, try again. But by that time there, he government cut 30 common chance. And they come in to do an exam named NAP. You remember NAP? Yes, man. And my mother buy up me book them, you know. And my teacher, they back come in, you know. And me say, dear exam, you know. Me go in an exam ready like a Freddy and drop asleep.
About that, you know, but little things happen to everyone in life. You get to brush off and you move along. You know, you don't pay that much any mind. But I'm really here on a business matter. Business.
Business?
A business.
Then that you want no gas from town come to me for?
Why not?
That me no business woman.
You don't have to be a businesswoman to speak business, you know.
Alright, Guanta. Me a listen, Guanta.
Tell me something, my dear. How would you like to get pregnant?
Miss, when you not come, you see, you pass cheap bikini round there.
Three wonderful girls playing like crazy outside.
Yeah, man, 3 wonderful maga girls. Taki got shoot. When me I do it belly again, when me I do it more bikini again. You saw them maga, then they born maga, you know, cause me can't feed them. If me get pregnant again, somebody would have got to pay me.
Then you know you're right, you know. Because you'll be paid $500,000 just to be a child for a couple who cannot have children.
500,000?
500,000.
500 to, how much money that?
Tell me something, Delcita. How much money do you earn a week?
Well, when me do help a job, me get like $3,000 a week.
$3,000, that's not money, Delcita. $500,000 will take you way ahead in life. You wouldn't even have to work for at least 3 years, you know.
I lie here, tell 3 years. That I mean, you can't drive out there if you come back in a yard, so we now work again for 3 years. No, me case, I come back, that's a problem. In case of 3 years. Wow!
You don't have to tell the whole neighborhood your business.
In your mouth, no, they over there, so see them sit down over there, so.
Listen to me. This is a very delicate matter, so your boyfriend does not have to know about this, you know?
So how if you get pregnant and me man no know?
Delcita, what is the matter with you? You know, I will take you to my surgery where I will get you pregnant.
You know, sitting come out here with a nastiness. Come. Ready? Take. Come on, so.
Dear God, how could you?
I know me, how could you? Well, backside me and you are not doing a surgery. Listen to me, man. Me treating also talk to me treat.
You know, I'm really very sorry to take your day up. Very sorry to take your time up. But it seems as if you have no use for $500,000. I'll best be on my merry way. Jackie, do me a favor, my darling.
No, call Jackie. Tell Jackie wrong number. I saw me miserable so my time. But that's
Jackie, I'll speak to you later. Sorry about that.
something not right.
Oh.
When you turn up over that side here, you said that said me I get 500,000. Make you cut your way down to $500,000.
You know, there's something else, you know. You see, I've spoken to maybe about 12 women today. I know to all of them, you're one of the best ones I come across.
So you give me deposit?
And you haven't even said yes as yet.
Then if you give me deposit, me not say yes. You must not know say money make Delcita get up. Doctor, something just crossed me brain.
Oh, yes, go ahead.
You see, if you could have round up.
Oh, yes.
Round up. $500,000 more, would tell me boyfriend.
You're something else, you know, but listen up. As we go through the procedure, we will see what happens.
Oh, yeah.
Now, come here. I want you to listen up carefully. These are some tablets. You must take one after your breakfast in the mornings and absolutely no sex.
Oh, no, go away. Here what? This is for your part. Take it back with deposit.
It's just something else, you know. What is your full name?
My full name, Delcita Coldwater. Wait, where you do?
I'm writing you a check.
Okay, you got change it.
You take it to the bank and you get it changed.
Doctor, when you come, me tell you say, me no have no ID. You see, me boyfriend, he could have changed it with the driver's license, but I don't feel him face step on it.
You're something else.
Me no understand, you know. When me I do it check, next thing check bounce and me left with belly.
It's all right here and you don't even have to count it, you know. All right there.
I know me not count it. If you wrong, you don't get no baby.
Don't forget the tablets. You must take one after your breakfast in the morning and absolutely no sex.
So when you ever tell me boyfriend say film head not good enough?
Come here. You tell him that you're going away to work in New York in a hotel for 9 months. Can you remember that? Come on, man. You can remember all of that, man.
Yeah, man.
You're going away to work in New York in a hotel for 9 months.
Yeah, me remember, man.
Good. Now you have a nice day now, Delcita.
Yeah, man, all
right. I'll get back to pick you up on Wednesday.
Yeah.
And Delcita, remember now, absolutely no sex.
sex?
Yeah, no sex after breakfast.
Honey, are you home? Hon?
Yes, Thelma.
Honey, come and see what I bought for our baby today.
You know, this is why I can't take all this damn man. How she good time to spend off man damn money. Fuck, son.
Honey, will you hurry up?
What is it, Thelma?
Aren't these cute?
Thelma,
Yes.
I'm going to ask you a question, you see? And I really know the answer to it already. I don't even know why I'm going to bother. But when you was thinking about this whole surrogacy thing, you see, don't you think that maybe you should have spoken to me first before you went for the doctor? Can you tell me? You don't get it, don't. I know. You never get it. I don't know why I bother. God.
But honey, you know, every time I try to talk to you, you get upset. Sometimes I don't know how to approach you. So, are we okay with this?
Tell me you can't wash the glass then. Jesus.
So, how is your campaign coming on?
You know, sometimes I think the campaign doing far better than the marriage, you know. Yeah, man.
You don't have to say that. But I know you'll win because you're a very strong man. And you know what they say about strong men? There's always a very strong woman behind them. Am I not a strong woman, honey? But you know, my father will be going to Cuba.
So what that have to do with me?
He'll be doing an operation on his eyes.
I still don't see what that have to do with me.
Baby, he may have to stay here for a while until he's good and ready to go. You guys can hang out.
Let me go. Let me go. Tell me. You know, I realize that when I talk to you, that go through 1 year and come back to the next one, you know. Tell me, I've been saying to you for the longest while, I'm in the middle of my election campaign. I need to come home to a house that is conducive to me winning this campaign, tell me.
Listen, man, your parents come here all the time and I can't stand
But
it.
that's precisely the fact that I'm talking. I'm not talking to you, man. What is wrong with you? Listen to me. I am the man in this damn house. When I talk, you don't walk. What? Hey, listen to me. Let me tell you something, you see. What we're trying to achieve here, you know, Thelma, is this whole semblance of a nuclear family, Thelma. Thelma, you understand what I'm saying to you? Thelma, look up there. Look up there. Hey? On that wall is a picture of me, right? Over here is a picture of you. Over there, Thelma, is a picture. No, you tell me. What is missing out of the equation? And don't tell me your father, you know. Thelma, a child. That is what is missing, Thelma. A child, Thelma. When we talk about a family, you know, we're talking about a husband, a wife, and a child. Not a husband, a wife, and a papa. You understand what I'm saying to you, Thelma? Thelma, you don't get it. Thelma, look at me. We're talking about a family.
Hey! Take out your dirty man! Come out of this!
Don't talk to me, say you're damn fool!
Me don't see any old in the age!
Listen, my next day I'm feeling.
Yes, give me some black paper!
You on your backside! You look like crab!
Daddy!
Who on your backside? I'm chasing out the boy!
Daddy!
Wait, tell me, you?
Yeah, what is wrong with you?
Sorry, me dear.
No, no,
Sorry, me daughter.
Him talking under no government.
Watch your step, all right?
All right, all right. Tell me. Me in the house?
Yes, Daddy, you're in.
It look pretty. The house look good. The damn boy will carry me and tell me. The boy I drive like in the Pan Vernon field. I said to the boy, tap me piss. The boy wouldn't tap. I said, young man, tap me piss. The boy tell me, tap the car, jump out of the car. I just piss by the driver's seat. After all.
Young man, bring those bags in for me and hurry up.
Allah ya tell, outside and bright. Welcome to the Pegasus Hotel. Talk to me now. I want me to make care of the man pissing now. I want to vacuum that. When I talk loud in the summer vulgar, look what the man do. No problem, I'm a tough up. Come out of my way. You know how you look like somebody piss on you. The man piss up in the case, should have me for clean that. You think me should have clean that? Tell the God Almighty truth. Talk to me now. You stand up like you're a mannequin. No man, this don't look good. You dumb. Oh Lord. Mama! 2,500. Jesus. And the first me see this. Look how you big and dumb. See, you can't say nothing and tell out of your mouth. Say, boo! 2,500. All you have a right for them. Look how your mouth big and ugly. Oh Lord. 2,500. Me not tell a lie. Remember the grade 1 book was say, I am a boy. I am big. See my dog here. Jesus. No man, 2,500 my friend. There's so many rights in the world. So nobody not trouble you when you're young. 2,500.
Young man, how much do I owe?
I'm sorry. Oh, what kind of nest this man up in now? The blind, the deaf, and them. Me I come up before me cripple.
Wait, how we must face it? How we are blind deaf and dumb? How we are shut up, boy? Eh? How we are shut up? How we are shut up? After all. Here are making ones.
How much I owe?
How you do? Me can't take your money. My conscience are beat me. Me never knew it was a rescue home. Jesus. Oh, let me have good goodie. You see, if you want vroom vroom, she not understand that. They not gonna pay. Oh, so something here. See me number here. Ping pong, pong pong, put it there. Then I saw deaf people ignorant. No man, no, not talk to me though. How can I wickedness on the family them though? Because it's on a curse. I want somebody alone can clear this on a Jesus!
I got nothing.
When you're not going anywhere, sit down.
No, I'm not going away. I'm going to stay.
Sit down, you're not going anywhere.
Listen, I'm not going away. I'm going to stay. I'm going to sit down, tell me.
Sit down.
I'm going to backside wrong with you, get the girl. I'm going to sit down. You're going to bowl here. You're not going anywhere. Sit down. Little girl, who you chat to? Huh? After all, you're not going nowhere. Sit down. Thelma, you're pregnant. The way you lick me hand for?
Daddy, I'm not pregnant.
You're not pregnant? I thought you fat, sir. So tell me, where do you work this boy every day? Tell me, you listen to say your man worthless. Any man who can't breed a woman, worthless. Tell me, why you don't throw bone on them backside? At least when I get some grand picnic, because the boy too worthless.
Daddy, will you please leave my personal affairs alone?
Never leave your personal life alone.
But make sure you know breathe nobody out the door, you know. Because if he ever breathe anybody out the door, I throw it up here on them backside, the kind to what is. I don't talk. I'm 50 now, no me got. That mean man better than man. And fear man, what is? Your mama was a good man. Tell me, miss. Tell me, Papa. Tell me, Cooper. Tell me, Cooper.
Daddy, you know I'm still standing here?
Tell me. You don't go away. Tell me, don't be in here with you. Tell me. Why every time I'm talking to you, you move up and down? Eh? Tell me. You move up and down too much. That's why you can't breathe.
Then come here alone, can't drink half this. Go for one cup and make you some effort. And the new juice, they will come down in and them stand up in the night till daylight. One of them.
Dee, no bother with that, because that now go help you. Look here now. You know say me a go eh? You know say me a go a foreign door. You don't know what I go on at daytime, you know. You don't know what I go on. Barack Obama called me say me fit come.
Then.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you hear what me say. You're not get no stroke. You're not dead and you're not deaf. Me a gone foreign left you. So hear what? You ain't gonna see me no more.
They like a foreign, she get the accent, but she not get the beard, you know. They lady have to go beard because the animal planet, the man not gonna carry a pan.
D.
How are
Jesus is what me I left you for.
It's nice.
The politician call.
I lie. So me not tell the politician boy say me have the phone. I mean talk the things.
But the politician.
And so.
No. I'm not taking another day of this foolishness, man. Now look at it. The man blind, right? And if you know that you're blind, it means you not know him. But if you not know him, sit down on the toilet seat, no, man. Jesus Christ, man. God, man. Sure. Nah, man. No, he must come out here, you know. I'm not taking another day of this man to rot it, man. So I never married to him. I married to him that. I should not have to put up with this man. Jesus Christ. No, man. Hello? Hey, Shirley, run it once. Tell me something. That last year Jamaica flight to Cuba, has it left us yet? It's on the runway. Shirley, you need to call it back. Shirley, don't tell me you can't do it, man. You did it for a foreigner the other day. You got into trouble for that one? They really demoted you? Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that. You say you can't help me. All right. Thanks anyway. I'm going to remember this when I get elected. Do you hear? All right. I will find another way. I must get rid of this man, man. The man too damn miserable and out of order.
A moment like this.
What the hell is wrong with this woman, man?
Some people wait a lifetime for that one special kiss. Oh, I can't believe it's happening to me. Honey, what is wrong with you?
Man, you choke me. Yeah?
Honey, I was working on a song for you.
That was a song for me? Oh, God. Next time you notify me before you start singing, yeah? But now that you tell me, I think it's a beautiful song, though, you know. Yeah, yes, man. Hey, you know what just dawned on me? You see, if I should lose this election campaign, I'm going to have to become your producer.
You would?
Oh, yes.
Oh.
And you know, there's not a chance in hell I can lose. My smile, no, man. Hey, man, sometimes you need to relax a bit and let your hair down, you know, man. All right, enough of your thing. Tell me something. I've been searching around the house looking for my phone. Have you seen it?
Have you seen me?
What does that have to do with the phone?
When was the last time you took a really good look at me?
You're so pretty.
You know what? This is what I can never understand about you women, you know. I'm here talking about something as important as my phone. You going to ask me when last have I taken a good look at you? Then how can you be so insensitive, man? God. Then the world now revolve around you know. Then sometimes you have to put other people before you. You can't be so selfish, man.
But honey, it's not like you can't make a call.
Really?
But what about when I call?
What about it?
It's just a phone.
You're right. Look out for me. It's just a phone. Just a blasted phone, Thelma. Just a phone. But you know something? You see you're just a wife. Just a blasted wife.
Honey, I know you don't mean that. I'm sorry, all right? Would you like me to rub your feet?
Thelma. Thelma, it's not as if I want to be involved in an argument with you all the while, you know, man. But Thelma, when you bring your father here to live with us at a time like this, Thelma, it's gray hair you're giving me, you know.
But honey, you don't have any hair. And, you know, I told you it's only for a short while.
But Thelma, the man is talking about selling him house. We're going to live when him come back from Cuba. Thelma, if I can't take this man when he's blind, how am I going to take him when he can't see? You don't get it, don't? You know, you never get it. God, man, I should have divorced you the day after I married. Jesus. Hello? Rose, have you found the phone? Listen, Rose, I'm not in the mood for no damn foolishness, so you know. You have 4 you in the office. Don't tell me that 4 people can't find a phone. Listen to me. If I have to leave what I'm doing and come down here, you know, all 4 of you better run, well, you know. What? You call the phone, and somebody answered, and say, and so. Listen to me. I don't know what that means, and frankly, I don't care. You have proved yourself to be totally inefficient, so I will handle my business from now on. You understand what I'm saying to you, Rose? You understand me, Rose? Rose? What this damn woman and a manners? I mean, I talking to her and she put... Hello? Hey. Rose? How can I be talking to you as your boss and you put on the phone and talk to somebody else? Only not a manners, man. No. You see that person that just disturbed my call? You need to fire them. I don't care if he has a problem, fire him too. You know, Rose? Fire your damn self as well. Sorry.
What is wrong with you? You can't go and find people. What are you, Capitan, the fireman? Randy, I'm talking to you. I'm your wife. Have some respect. Randy Jones. What is wrong with this man, though? Randy, I'm talking to you now.
You know it? You call the driver. Tell him to pick me up at 10. And I mean, do it now.
Oh, so now I'm your secretary.
You know what? Go on the drive. Tell him to pick me up at 10.
Something is seriously wrong with this man, you know. Rose? Yeah. Listen, don't fire anybody. Randy was just joking, all right? Yes. Rose, don't be ridiculous. My husband could never be cheating on me. I'm his wife. I should know. Listen, I'll talk to you later. George, pick up Randy at 10. Have you seen his phone? Or if you find it, give me a call right away. Honey, George has not seen your phone, you know.
What? What? You're fired! That is so young, Gate.
And who is going to take you to work now? Huh? Randy, I'm talking to you now. Who is going to take you? What is wrong with this man, though?
Come on, yes! You know, listen, since you have so much problem with this, you find me a driver. And I mean today.
And if I don't, what are you going to do, Mr. Jones? Huh?
I
strong. I am invincible, invincible. I am woman.
Hey, you damn fool! You never see me. Suppose you bounce me down, eh? Move your backside. You smell like green jackfruit. After all, you want like you're a madman. You don't see me. No wonder you're blind, damn fool. Eh? Me not see where me I go. And me I go where me not see. And you can't see and I go where you see. Damn fool. Damn here. Thelma! Thelma!
Yes, Daddy.
Thelma? Abal you, Abal? Thelma? Abal you crying? Did the politician hit you? Thelma? Where him there?
That he's on the road, all right?
On the road? Let me just see him pass me a while ago. I can't see more of the young people. I can't say that damn boy is not good for you, but you can't see it. So tell me you should blind her. How can a man go into politics and he can't breed a woman? The boy, what this? Yes, sit down and look for me. Me say, your man, what this? Yes, so you think me can't see you? You think, yes, look for me. Me say, your man, what this? Of course.
You know I don't need your advice. You're not good at taking advice, so don't try and give me any.
Thelma, I'm an experienced man. I want you to turn up and listen to me. I always give you advice. I said to you, talk to the lawyer boy, you remember? And what you said to me? Into ugly. But the same ugly lawyer boy have 4 pretty picnic. I go back again and say, talk to the boy who own the supermarket. What you say? Into maga. But the same maga boy have 2.5 fat picnic. And sit there now. You talk with the worthless boy. He better there with a ranking boy we can't come here at this class of ranking grand picnic. Yes, stand up there look for me. Your man worthless. Tell me you could have begged to come over. Me say your man worthless. Begs, yes. Begs as much. Tell me you can't grab me, your pooper. Me say your man worthless. After all. Are you there, Chato? Tell me, Mr. Young Man, what this?
You know, I'm very convinced you're mentally ill. So can I have some attention and your respect?
Tell me, you have attention.
Well, Rennie and I will be having a baby.
Me write it, then tell me. Make it in, tell me. Come sit down. Make it in, tell me. Look how me a saying worthless. Make it in, tell me, same breed, yo. So you're how much months pregnant?
I did not say I was pregnant.
Tell me, get up from side of me. He look like you're worthless too. Tell me, is either you're a breed or you're not a breed? Which one? Tell me, say, is either you're a breed or you're not a breed? Which one?
You know, I'm not a little girl anymore, you know. I'm a big woman. So will you please allow me to live my life in peace? The only reason you're here is because of your operation. Don't lose sight of that.
You know, me not go Cuba.
What's your bed, man?
Me not go Cuba. Because anyone me go Cuba and come back and can't see. Me and that boy not turning up. He might fit Cuba. I mean it. Because your man too worthless. I go on my bed. Tell me, your man worthless. I go on my bed. Tell me, your man worthless. I go on my bed.
Daddy?
Tell me, wanna move the step for? Tell me, you're the man who built the step. Worthless.
calling me from
no man, I owe this so bad. Eh? I owe this. I open a court, sinner. I mean, I have no money.
Who's calling me from an unknown number?
personal driver.
You know, so when I freak this one, freak. Hello, Milk.
So are you the driver or not? Well, I'm looking for a personal driver to drive my husband.
How will you know about me? I mean, you want some Bluetooth? How would this?
My husband is a politician. I want you to take him to and from work.
Lord Jesus. Then you want me to give us a certain man, look, I need to put it back in like a clinic. Then if your husband lives, come and really want to work in a man. Thank you, Jesus.
Can you recall the address you dropped a blind man off the other day?
Where's that? Where's that a while ago?
A blind man, you took him to this address?
No, what me telling about the blind man say? Me not telling you, say me not care, I'm going to make him piss too much. Wanna fix him blood yet? You know the way me I tell it, if I want me fair flush. Me not doing it. God know me not doing it. No care my book and hunger, me not doing it.
You know the blind man is my father.
You know, I threw my anxiety chip in. Sorry. Sorry. My friend, me can ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
The blind man is the father, right?
Yeah.
The definite is what to you? No. Between me and you know nervous up there. A pure damage goods there, you know. You're going to go show you're brave.
So can I expect you at 10?
10 a.m. or p.m. I do the night work in a car. I'm a call girl and my body can't go up to night room. I'm not properly immunized, so come on.
10 a.m.
All right, my love. Jesus, she brave.
Thelma? Thelma? Thelma?
Thelma? Susan, I'm upstairs. Thelma?
What's up? My darling, guess what? My God. You know, I found the perfect woman to bear your child. And guess what? You're going to love her.
So she's here?
Oh, yeah, she's here. Just fix up and straighten up. I'll bring her inside. Oh, no. Don't come and kill the surprise monster right here. Straighten up till I get back 2 minutes, okay? My God, in the name of Jesus, woman, what are you doing in the cherry tree?
Sorry, ma'am, sorry. But you when I write one then they bite apart, so that's why they copy as what me I put down now.
Come on, get down. Come on, get down.
Yeah, mind friend, so mind me jumping on your head, mind not.
Come on, pick up your things and let's go. Come on,
You
come
see me suitcase, the
See
man
them right here, 2 minutes.
Yeah. Sorry about
This is
that.
what you do.
All right, sorry. Sorry then, no? Sorry.
Delcita?
Yeah.
I would like to meet Miss Thelma Jones. Miss Thelma Jones, this is Delcita. This is the young lady I was telling you about.
Awa ya look for me sofa. Look here, me have somebody you know me no dopey. He doctor come for me earlier this morning and we never get fit up a road and me want PP and me a dead for Didi.
Oh, bathroom. What is the bathroom? Bathroom. Are you drunk? No, I'm not. What is wrong with you?
So how dare you bring a mad woman inside my house, Susan?
Thelma, man, come on. What is the matter with you?
She has no proper conduct, it seems. What is that?
Thelma, calm yourself. Just calm yourself. I've had her checked out thoroughly. She make a look.
Education level could she possibly have?
She may look a little rusty, but she's pedigree, you know.
How many children, Susan?
Well, she dropped out of primary school quite early. And
That is not the question I asked.
Thelma, she's the virgin
How
of the community. And
many
children. One beautiful child, and the child is only 5 years old, already preparing for GSET. What is wrong, Delcita? What's the matter?
Me full of update. Me I use him, mama. Me just it a run over. You have any map, mom? You could have lent me.
You have any map?
Let me one of you frack, no, mom. Quick. Oh, ratted. Remember now. Remember something. Yeah, me the car. Me tell me that say. Me go stay me car shit. She never know say would have come over saying. Oh God, you if your boss your Bible.
Something like this to me, Susan. You know how much money I spent on that Persian rug? I can't believe you do this to me, you know.
I don't understand you. You complain you don't want her here, and now you complain about a silly rug? A silly rug, Thelma? What in God's name is wrong with you? Who you wanted me to go bring inside here, huh? A Beyonce or at least a Hannah to come prowl around with your husband? Come on, you think about it.
Wait. We can't go no further. I'm tired, man. I mean, one up there, one out, no couldn't come. Jesus. We can't go no more, God. Jesus. Miss, the doctor said I say, they might take his sperm from your husband and put in a me a chew, man.
Yes, that's so true.
Oh, so you get help and put on up your me already? What?
You'll be living here with us like a
Where much I say? Where
She said, you'll be living here with us like a family.
Oh, you live here too?
Oh, no. You'll be living here with Miss Thelma and her husband.
Oh, her husband. Her husband! Me glad you mentioned husband. Miss, talk to your husband, you know. Warn him. If you ever try to jump me and tabby me fart.
Woman into my house.
She's not a violent
Me not violent. And that we do no man who no love talk truth. It's rare with the as woman and talking truth. If a man want take you something, my name give man you something. You wanna tab him? Well, make your husband make him stay and try a thing with me in here. He my first one I hang.
That's it.
I like how we there, make we start out everything. Me want me one room, me want TV, and me want regular credit for call back a country. Me no know where you cook and me no care where you name, me only name chicken back and dumpling.
What is wrong with you? Now, you listen to me. You'll be living here with Miss Thelma and her husband, so you have to stick to a special diet.
Plus, she'll have to attend exercise classes and coaching sessions for delivery.
Mr. Olympics done. Me no understand you. Me a picking you. Me never go to you none of them are sitting here yet. When me have $1 me in a pound seat, I
Delcita, remember you only have one child, you know.
Oh, you got.
One child with a very long name, you know.
So me say balance some money, I go that part there I go.
You will get the rest of the money after the baby is born.
After the baby is born, I bet claim you can't me come. No, it's alright. Me never left me out to come so far.
You can go.
Look here, what? You are the shepherd. When the 3 wise men come, then we find film picking the excuse. Sorry.
Delcita! You can't go dictate in terms as if you're the one hiring us.
Rude. No, doctor, you hear her in there?
Delcita, behave yourself.
No, you see me trouble her? No, Taki got you. Me say nothing wrong when me go in there. No, let me go, man. You tear up me clothes, you know, let me
Leave
go.
the nerve of some people.
Look here. From me come up here, me notice that you this a hypey and a clumsy, right? And a attitude. But look here, me not really want rude to you. But Barack Obama say yes we can. Can you breathe? No, doctor, when me I say, media coach, right? I mean, how a little man, he my wife and you know, hand up, you know, see you now, occur.
I'm sorry about that.
I think you need to control it, you know, because this is a total waste of my time. Now my husband is not here. He's in Miami for 2 weeks, and he would have to approve you. So now would be a good time for you to leave.
Husband not here, so I have to approve me. So you really pick me up and carry me come a bureau of standards. No. So at 2 weeks, 2 week years, man, now go there for 2 weeks, you go sit down up here and no sex. No, man, you don't know something wrong up here, man.
What exactly did you tell this girl? There'll be no sex here. I can't imagine you having disgusting.
I can't imagine you. Look here, you up here and have sex and nothing not go on for you. You don't need you, me need you.
You cut it right there.
No, but doctor, that me a talk about, you know. Doctor, you didn't give me profile when I come up here. You didn't tell us your Delcita, me name. You don't tell her about me website, www.whendelcitahavesex.com. Problem. When I give you a link to the website there, you know. But me put a password for it so that means that me have it locked. What that's stupid. Doctor, you see me do nothing? I can't tell about control. You look like fireman, you're there for bird control. See, man, if she want me up here, you know, she don't know that she have to make me comfortable. And when me say comfortable, me mean very, very comfortable. Or else, you see you not have no children around here.
Oh my Lord, that's so pretty, bright and colorful and famous Sesame Street. And rich people live here. Them kitchen big and nice though, I like it. And TV, I don't see them turning. It one story. I love them house here. Them get things all when you ask for it. And them life I'm feeling. But not to the like only if Delcita gonna see me now.
Driver.
Yeah.
Driver.
I owe that.
Where's this damn man? Driver.
It's all that.
Driver.
Yes, sir, my foot stuck in the carpet.
Me tell them not left me one up here, you know?
No.
Come in, bossy.
No.
Yes, bossy.
No, but you say you just
Come in, man. Lord, man.
Like
Come in.
somebody
Hey, me
else.
tell you, everybody down the road say, oh, it's big and nice and colorful. You must feel like Big Bird. Up here, nice, bad. I have your one piece over here, so, yeah. No, man, I will get a fifth hand set here from. Watch out. It's busy, though.
Hello.
No,
Hello.
get this.
Hello.
No, man, it's not like God, no.
Hello.
You not get you.
Come on. Come. Come. Come here, man.
Don't do that. You think it's a dog you're calling? You just want come like your name scandal bag. I don't like it, man. I don't play so rough. Sure.
You know something? I realized that when my wife hired you, she didn't explain the rules and regulations for you, you know. Well, let me tell you something, you see. You see, when we pull up in the driveway, you get out, you come around and you open my door. No, that allows me out. You get my things, you follow me up the walkway. When we get to the front door, you come around and you open that for me. Now that allows me inside. When we come in, you put my things down, you take yourself back out. Under no circumstance do you cross that imaginary line right there. Are we clear?
You see me, I shake my head, and my nerves bad. So tell me something, why nobody never come over there, sir? What does show over there, sir?
It's just that the help does not cross the line.
Oh, no, wicked. Don't fear the help stand up right here, so for the entire day. What a wicked set of people. And she have faith and courage for all fear position. Nothing right, God, no. And I'm here call help.
Now listen to me. I'm going to need you to stop by party headquarters and drop off a package. After you leave there, they will give you a package you take to Rose at the office.
You see it, Bolt. Slow down. The record broke already. I say I'm going to give my mother something for the children. I'm tired.
I'm almost certain I didn't hear you correctly, you know.
You never hear me say? I chew them in the tax, I chew to have low voltage. Me tired! Child, I'm blind, I'm tired, I'm not doing it.
So, let me ask you something, you see? Let me ask you something. when you came here begging for this job, you see,
Ah, boy, man.
didn't it then dawn on you that just maybe you were going to need time off to go visit your mother to give her something for the hungry belly picnic them you have a country?
Who is this big thinking stretch out, man?
No. You're damn right, yeah.
No, man, we know me and my family. Hey, man, you remember put on my bloomers and pumps and wire, you know, boy.
You know it's quite obvious that you have no idea who the hell you're talking to.
Don't feel special. The last time I Googled your name, it says still searching. Goddamn right. Yeah. Oh, just somebody. Yeah. Yeah, nobody. Not even the director your name. The girl.
You know it's people like you. It is people like you who are driving this country into the ground.
And the politicians like you make the country so stinking. Nobody no one Bluetooth you. Where?
I don't have to take this. I do not have to take this. Put my keys down and get out. You're fired.
I want to use Scooby-Doo. Do.
Get out.
You want this?
Get out.
And not my fault, you know.
Get out.
A good mother and a creative father bring a talented child.
Oh.
You get left. And not my fault to shape like ultra down.
Get out. Yeah, went and out of order. I don't have to put up with this. I refuse to put up with this. All of this is Thelma's fault. He has simply said to her, find me a driver. And that is what you could have come up with. Now, man, I am not going to tell me I have to come in here.
I'm not your fault. You can't fire me because you never hire me. And you won't score me. So talk to me now. What time you want me to pick you up? Hour. You know, like the last part of that. I saw you got anybody who will not vote for us, so we'll put them up. You see how they make them out just sketch diary up. So talk to me now. Up here quiet team, man. Everybody turn Catholic. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Sorry, my bad. It look like him locked. Let her pull him.
You know what? Pick me up at 7:30.
8 o'clock, me get up out of my bed so early. You're not cute. Outside, I'm like, don't run them serious joke with my bed. And I credit my bed, I debit that. Yes, you understand, though, no go like a my tongue alone under no government. When me come tell me, say, Daga, make you full of so much attitude. If me give the blind, I say, the woman that come, a friend, I can't stand people. Please, me, I beg you. And I used to my eye, just one. And I answer, we should come in, prostitute. Come in. Make yourself comfortable like everybody else. Come in, man. Yeah. Lord, what's a trailer here? My friend, you know him long time. If you know him long time, what make you have to dress up so? In an old man pearl and painted bag. You buy the wrong bag, though, because sun catches not milk pan.
Behave yourself.
I know, sister, storm time now. Where you going lightning catch her? gonna live with
Mr. Jones, what in God's name is that you have inside here? Good gosh, man.
You know, Doc? Doc, I can't answer that for you, no. Believe me, I left here and I said to Thelma, find me a driver. Would you believe that is what picked me up at the airport?
That's your driver?
Believe it or not.
Oh,
But that's not the irony, you know, because I was coming back all excited, you know, because when I called her, you guys said you found that girl to have the baby. I was just so excited, man.
Oh, yes. We found a girl okay to have a child, but I tried to get you back on the phone, but you wouldn't answer your phone.
No. I said that was the phone, but I'm not worried about that. No, I just want to meet the girl.
But she's here.
She's here?
Let me get her for you.
No. If she's here, that's Thelma's job now, man. Don't worry yourself. Thelma!
Yes, hon?
Thelma! What is wrong with this woman, man?
Honey, you're home?
Yes! No, but where is the girl?
She's here. You haven't seen her?
You go get her, no, man? Hurry up now, Thelma.
And maybe she's right down, you know, taking her 5 minutes or two. Taking her 5 minutes or two.
Honey, you know she's not in her room, but I'll check the garden for you.
No, don't worry yourself. If she's in the garden, I'll go get her. You know I like surprises already. Don't worry yourself. I'll deal with it.
Oh my... No! Where do you think you're going? Just have a seat.
Thelma, what is
I don't
Thelma?
hear it.
Thelma? Thelma, there's somebody out here, man. All I see in the garden is a goat. I know it's funny, you know, because I've never seen a goat eat a cherry tree. Hey, shoo! I said, shoo! Shoo, man! I said, shoo, me rot in the summer. No, man! No!
You know, say me check say your wife did call you everything sort out already.
Sort out? There's only one thing to be sorted out, you see, and that is your bus fare back to wherever you come from.
Hey, Mr. Can't breed nobody. Hey, you know what say? Me did your country and live me humble life. And me never tell nobody. Say me want breed fee, nobody. Say you see if you know 1 million yard, pay me up. Pay me up and me go country.
You must be Hey, you! Don't go away. Come in. Come in. What am I paying her for? No. I said, what the hell am I paying her for?
What you mean what you paying me for? Me listen talk show at daytime, you know. I mean, no say, anyhow you not pay me money, me can sue you for breach of contract.
You got sue me. Hey, sort this out. Sort it hell out.
Then what is wrong with you? You can talk about lawsuit right now. You have no money.
Look here, we might not have money, but you're a liar out there when we take me case for percentage. Wait, what not bother me for? Look for me good, no, look for me good. Me look like Abe Dabdoom. Sure.
Back the phone.
I'm sorry about that.
No. I don't want to apologize from you.
Just understand.
No. I'm not understanding nothing. You need to understand it. No. I need to express myself clearly, you know that. Because, I mean, I am totally dissatisfied with your choice for this unfortunate arrangement, you know. I mean, you took all that money from me. You went all the way to the country, and you came back with the bottom of the barrel.
She's no bottom of no barrel. Good girl.
Mr. Jones, as much as me look so, if them pack me up in a last bottom of one barrel, mother want you pant up on me.
Hey, listen. Let me deal with this. Deal with it. I deal with it now, but like it.
Let me speak with her. Just let me speak with her. Delcita, what in God's
trouble him, me trouble him, me trouble him.
Ah, Mr. Jones, I'm sorry about this. This has never happened. I'm sorry.
Doctor First.
I'm sorry.
Doctor First! I'm going to implore you, to please extricate this imbecile from within my domain. Pause est!
Yeah, man, I saw you go on. But you don't want me to understand when you say you chat foolishness.
No.
Nothing to know, me a gum, me a do.
Delcita?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not going anywhere.
What?
Will you allow this thing to work and stop behaving like an idiot?
I'm an idiot.
This is not a political platform, so don't bother with the foolishness.
After all that just happening here, I am an idiot.
Nothing is wrong with Delcita. Behind all of that, she's actually a wonderful girl.
Oh, yes. Behind all of that, she's really a wonderful girl.
Oh, Mr. Jones. I can't even get to look behind all of that.
You know something, man? You don't seem to realize, that this is making a mockery of who I am in this country. How am I going to be expected to run my constituency? I better yet the country if I can't even run my own yard.
But I'm going to ample time in your son, I must don't know. God no. Ronnie, you ready? Ow. You catch him. Saying about the girl we might take.
What's girl?
One shot black girl, man. You know about her? What you mean, man? You're going to get man an angel. You're not sent from heaven, you know? Huh? You know about her? Me not care.
It is because of pressure from you we have gotten this far. We need to decide here and now. Are we going to do this?
Yes. We need to decide here and now. Are we going to do this, yes or not?
How can I nasty this going up here? No, man, me get 12 in mathematics, so let me sum up this. 1 sum, 2 sum, ultra down here, bad na blow!
Look at what has happened in Westerly, North-South New Kingston. Jones is ahead by 70 votes. What a turnaround. Now we might as well call this one. Randy Jones is going to win the South East St. Andrew seat for his party.
No, hold on. Let us not call it yet. Shit!
You cannot say that on radio.
I'm sorry. The Broadcasting Commission is going to make a meal of this one. I'm so sorry. I think Jones is going to lose after all. This guy came into politics clean as a whistle, no bad press about him, no corruption. He seems almost too clean to be a politician.
I guess that's why he's going to lose. Now this guy came out of nowhere and gave the incumbent a solid run for his money. His efforts is going down the toilet. He campaigned on strong family values and clean politics. He runs a very successful engineering firm. He seems to be well prepared for politics, but will now have to wait for another 4 to 5 years. He was a good opposition spokesman on agriculture though.
Hold on. Look over there in the right column. He is a story of a comeback kid. This guy Jones is going nowhere. It seems from what we're seeing here that he has won the election by 22 votes.
22 votes? This one is heading straight to the courts. Jones has won the constituency by only 22 votes.
They stuff your box good, man. You see? Your MP going up. Oh, God, Amy, happy for you, Oh, God. Hey, they wouldn't understand. You can't imagine me baby father Then now when you come out compose like double blank so far. Our TV in your room now, You don't realize? He look like he not see. You don't see? Me baby father win.
Excuse
are we, baby father?
Tell me we won.
Congratulations.
Tell me I'm going to be
darling.
an MP, you know? Yes. Tell me we can fly for here Jamaica free now. Hey.
I think we should go get ready, you know.
Yeah, man. We have to go to the party headquarters. Hurry up, tell me.
All right.
Tell me, hurry up, man.
Yes, Delcita.
Hello. Oh, hi, Rose. Yes, man. Happy? Oh, God, man. Yes, yes. Good. No, man, we're just getting ready to come down here. Hey, hey. Yes. Yes, man. Oh, God, yes. Good, good. Hey, hey. Oh, yeah. What? Pregnant for who? You're mad, man. Hey, listen to me. You see, if you're pregnant, try to get rid of it, because I can't do no classes now. I'm hardly. Hardly. Hey, sometimes I tell you need to learn how to read between the lines, you know, man. I said I talk to you later.
Hey, hardly. Read between the lines and talk to you later. You think me a damn fool? Hi, listen to me. Why every time I come inside you and you're on the phone, the conversation come to an end? Is it a coincidence? Or are you hiding something from your daughter? How you may chat back to me, you worthless boy? You're hiding something? I'm going to buck out your backside.
James, you know what, the last time I checked, I was still the one at this house. So if I want to hide anything in here, you see, that is still my damn business. I want you to remember that. Just stay out of order, man.
Aye. Worthless boy. Listen me. Me I go chat to you. I'm going to hear this. Half of this house belongs to my daughter. So if you're hiding things, make sure you hide a few half.
And you know, James, there was actually a point in time when I had some respect for you. But what you don't realize, you know, is that that respect disappeared a long, long time ago. It's only a pity you never disappear with it.
I noticed you won't face me face to face. Well, all right. I go and face you face to face. I don't know how you get in politics. But you squeeze yourself in. You know why you can't get anything done in this country properly? Because you don't take time off to do the things properly. I take time off to breed my wife properly. That you can have a wife properly. You must take time off to breed your wife properly. That I can get one picnic properly. Time to look for me. I might just jam your damn face properly. Of course.
Honey, what is taking so long? Huh? Oh, Daddy, you're home?
Eh.
Did you hear that Ronnie won?
Yes, the bitch stuffing box properly. You heard that the Prime Minister lose? And I hear me vote for. I tell man, I slung pan 2 bags of stuff. I don't know where I stuff say, but I stuff too. One little worthless boy come kick me off of the box and take them away. But I should have catch him. Or I walk a kick on them backside properly. I don't know. I'll go catch a lay down. Thank you.
You alright?
Yeah, man, I'm good. Yeah, man, I'm okay.
Sure. You know, I think I should call Rose. I want to make sure that everything is in good working order before we get down to party headquarters, you know. What is wrong with you?
What do you mean, what is wrong with that? I don't understand you. All through the campaign, you kept saying that I had no time for you. Well, campaign done. Your time now.
Really?
Uh-huh.
So why you can't call Rose?
Because we don't have no time for Rose, no.
So you mean?
Uh-huh. So if I was you, I'd go upstairs and prepare myself because I'm coming up there to deal with you properly. All right, back to business now. I know, I really should have go up there. Yes, I'm going up there to deal with this thing properly.
Win! Raise up here! Politics next! We win! Come on, Jackson! You don't know, so we win. You're not TV in your house. Yeah, man, put on your winning smile. Lad. What a way to eat them colorful.
You know, driver, this has been a memorable day, man.
And me for tell you about it. You want to the amount of box that me run with that you for talk about. I never know set teeth in my blood until today. I tell my old man with him bright self about him slump on two bucks. I said, boy, what you do? Boy, come on for that politics time. Outside and bright.
Personally, you know, I have to give you thanks, you know.
Thanks alone, you're going to do, you know. Because one kick on my shoe sketch double joint, watch out. That.
But, you know, I never realized, you know, that there was so much protocol associated with politics, you know. Did you know that for you to be employed in the government service, you have to be a member of the civil service? Did you know that? No,
not in a lie, when you still a preach your body, man.
No, man, but as I learn about it, I have to share the knowledge, you know. Because what I realized...
Hello, I'm going to beg you hurry up my earring I done.
No, man, what I've learned is, driver, what I've learned, you see, with my elevation to the status as MP, I realize now that there's already a driver assigned to me via the civil service. So, unfortunately, you won't be able to drive for me anymore. But don't worry yourself, Lorna. I've already spoken to the guys at the carpool and they're working on something for you. So you won't be left in the cold.
I tell.
No, man, it's the protocol.
How's the protocol?
It's a civil service, but...
So I'm not civil.
No, driver, that's not it, you know. It's not a personal thing, though, you know. You know, if it was up to me, the job would be yours. But unfortunately, we have to abide by the government guidelines. You understand?
So yes,
well, I'm saying that, unfortunately, I can't do nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing. No, that's basically it. I can't, my hands are tied. But you understand, right? You sure? You understand? No. I can't, but I need to make sure that you understand what I'm saying to you because we can't afford to have disgruntled people running around the place. You understand what I'm saying?
I'm not gruntled.
No. But driver, look at me and talk to me, man. Listen, the reason why this has... Driver, isn't that my phone?
You know me can't buy BlackBerry.
So how did you come by it?
Don't tell a lie upon me. You see me teeth nothing?
No. I never accused you of anything, and quite frankly, I'm happy to...
Hey, and that's how this thing work. You move up now, leave this behind in remembrance of Randy Jones.
You know something, driver? I refuse to believe that you of all people would attempt to extort me, you know, man.
What a big word you drop on little me. You see me look like dictionary?
Driver.
John, no, every time I look on this, I remember my 3 girl picking them hungry.
No. Driver, you don't have to worry about your girls, you know, man, because the moment I won this election, you see, I said to myself, if I do nothing else as an MP, I have to get drivers 3 girls from the country and into a proper school in the city. I was really just waiting on you to tell me what school you wanted them to go to.
Calabar.
Calabar? All right, if you say so.
I'm on a new vehicle. Me don't want nothing too dear and too fancy. I want something calm and simple.
All right, we had some Nissan Sunnies in the campaign. We must be able to get you one of those.
Who you again, Nissan? You see me look sunny? Give me my father drive. You're too mean.
No, my mother, last time I checked, my father was driving a Range Rover.
You're welcome.
All right. We seem to have an understanding now, right, driver? So just hand over the phone and I will pretend that none of this ever happened.
No, man, you're all on there.
No, but you can't go in the phone.
Hello?
Driver, listen.
Oh, Jesus, no. Hey, man, you're not blind me.
Driver.
I want to see how you eat and it look like you can't down.
Driver.
How will you do with your mouth?
Driver.
How did you, Trevor? Let me off of me. Let me off of me.
Driver. Listen, you can't be doing this.
No, man. Look how long me I drive for you. What make you never tell me say your tongue no karate? Jesus. Watch your tongue in there, man.
Driver.
I'm not telling a lie, you're the only man can get Trevor run for your money.
Driver.
Hey, you know your tongue big like a beach towel.
Driver.
I'm not all you want is 2 ATM machines for just swipe.
Driver. Listen to me now, man.
Yeah.
All of that is private and confidential. You can't afford to let it out. Give me the phone.
You mad? You know, so I have no cable, no DVD. Me for go and keep me eye occupied. You come, swipe. Oh, Lord. All if your Prime Minister ever see this film, I say, not in my cabinet. That's why not good for drink, but you can't pronounce it.
Trevor, why are you sitting on the floor? Come on over here and sit beside me.
I'm drunk, but I'm not fool. Your husband said we never pass the line, Delilah. You must not see that Samson here just a come.
Driver, my husband is not here. So you are free to come and go whenever you like.
Hi, you don't pull me, man. Man, you send off the alarm. After a while, you know your man stay ready. Holy Ghost. Blessed assurance. Rock of Ages. You can't tickle the sheep, man. Stop it.
So you like it?
Hey, you top right there, so.
But Driver, I just find you so attractive. And you know, that is why I find it so hard to keep my hands off you. I just think that you're so precise and accurate.
The calculator always give the correct figure.
You know, it's kind of hot in here. Can I take your shirt off?
Man, you make catch pneumonia and you can't want pee, man.
So can I get you something to drink?
What you have?
I have some Hennessy.
Give me it with syrup.
So Driver, do you have a girlfriend?
Eh?
Do you have a girlfriend?
One beautiful girl. She did enter Miss World one time and them send her back home because of grudge. Yeah. The judges say fear beauty, them can't understand it, it have no security code. Give me more, me tell you rest. And that tastes like it sauce, well, so throw a whole heap.
So do you have any children? Driver?
Eh?
Do you have any kids?
Quarter dozen. And me I work on a heap like orange.
3 kids?
Mm-hmm.
At such a young age?
You gotta believe it.
You know, you must be quite a guy.
Mm-hmm.
So Driver, have you ever cheated on your girlfriend? Driver? So Driver, have you ever cheated on your girl?
Not yet. Me feel like me dey on one farm. You got milk?
You know, you're so funny. But I have something to show you.
Wait there.
It's upstairs.
Lord Jesus, he can't come down.
No, man, I want to show you to you personally. You don't want to see?
Mama's come.
She's crying and dying. She needs some proper love. She's crying and dying. She needs somebody to love.
Awina. 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 Thelma.
James.
How that?
I am your creator.
God? God, how are you doing now?
I come for you, James. It's time to go home.
God, me not ready yet. Take my son-in-law. God, me can't talk to you.
Go on your knees, you miserable blind man.
God. You know, say, I know me want to lie do. You see all the woman them outside and me, you see? You forgive me?
Yes, James. Continue.
Oh yes, I can feel the spirit moves over me. God, you said thou shalt not kill. Me can't kill my son-in-law myself. You can poison him for me? God, I gotta tell you something. You know say my son-in-law have an ex-woman pregnant? Yes. Yes. And my poor daughter don't know nothing. Me hear my tell somebody on the phone. Yes, God. You hear me?
Daddy? Daddy, what are you doing on the floor?
You don't see me and God talk.
Get up, get up.
Tell ma. There's same thing to tell you. What me tell you, me no want your vex. Don't matter what, don't vex. Even if it burn you, don't vex.
What is it, Daddy?
Promise me, you know vex. You know say your husband have an ex-woman pregnant, and I say you know. Thank you.
So that is what you want to tell me? I know all about that.
Say you know vex. Boy, how can I get this? We are born on your so what this boy already out? You said me about do that to your few mama when she was alive? You would have to run away.
Daddy, will you relax?
What do you mean?
That is Delcita. She'll be having a baby for me.
Delcita, I have picnic for you. You know, say for your mama never ask somebody for breed for her, she breed for herself. Tell me, breed for yourself, you too damn worthless.
So tell me something, Delcita. How are you feeling?
You know, say me alright? Me alright, man. I one thing about me balance some money.
You get your money, man. Don't worry about that.
So where you give me balance in the US or Jamaica?
Jamaican dollars.
I'm mad, you mad? Because when me I left country, pack up everything, tell them say me gone to New York.
You get your money. You get your money in US dollars, of course.
All right,
Okay.
thank you.
I have one last check I want to do for you, so I want you to sit up and take a deep breath for me. Come on, Delcita. There's nothing gonna hurt you, you know. Let's take a deep breath now. Come on, slowly. Slowly, Delcita. Come on again. Another one. Tell me something, Delcita. You have twins running in your family?
No, man. You see twin in me eye?
Oh, come on, man. Listen, let's keep this little information to ourselves, okay?
Everything all right?
Oh, yes, everything is fine. Everything is okay. Okay.
Hello, Driva. How you doing? Me fine. How are you? How you beating them? Your friend? Your friend say mom didn't see me? Where your friend live? Talk about New York. Oh, him live at the back. Well, me live at the back. Where with me, man? I using the same phone number because I roll around. Alright, go Western Union tomorrow and kiss the piggy there.
You handled yourself quite nicely there, Delcita.
I'll do myself, drive off, kill me backside.
I want to ask you a question or two. You remember the first time I came to visit you from the country?
Yeah.
I gave you some tablets to increase your fertility.
Yeah.
Can you recall at any time at all having sex?
No come with it. You tell me, say, no have sex, and me never have it. I balance some money you know want give me.
No, let's just keep this little information to ourselves. Everything is okay. Everything is okay.
Hello, D. What the way you are called Anthony? Yeah, me just come off of 1 6 train and we gonna take a a subway to Manhattan now. That I mean a sick, people, Jesus, that I mean a sick. That I mean a sick. No, take a kibeli, make me go.
The sister, you can't. I'll work something out. Let me go.
Your mother,
I'll work something out.
I mean, picking it up. Oh, God, that I mean a sick. I can't
Let me just give me a chance to work it out. I can work it out. I mean, we could send her next door. No.
Come on, get up. Come on. Woman.
No, Jesus.
Relax, take a deep breath.
Please, may I beg you, Jesus. Do me, I beg you. Me never want to be a foreign Jesus. Send me back home, please, Jesus.
Put your back.
I the chain is up here. But D, it look like me take ranch ride.
Del.
Yeah?
You did send for me. So we be a do a foreign. Me no want to foreign.
Would you stop the silly crying?
Me not sing a ball. Sure. And look at me before I start over now.
D, I know what you think, you know. And that lady up there, come and baby for somebody, and born me, D.
And the money you give me Del. Then you rent out your body. Me a tell you, man.
Shut up.
Jesus, sorry, me I go down ball. This no fear, God.
When you think you're my chance to work this out, let me tell you something. The sister is pregnant because I placed sperm in her. She's pregnant for a couple who cannot bear a child. So don't come up here and jump to the wrong conclusion. She didn't give you bun or anything of this sort.
Yeah.
Push, man.
I know. Me know hear one thing when you just say start over.
The sister is pregnant because I placed sperm in her.
Okay. So you could have got a court say about the fridge, yeah? Me never say about it on the fridge now, Del. You put up things for people.
D, listen to a doctor.
Then say the doctor coming out before intro.
See that?
Where? Yes! Come on to my face, you twerp!
You have some respect for my higher education, boy! You are falling out of line precipitously. And it would be best if you decelerate your ignorance on this matter. Because it succeeded you in a colossal waste of my time. You nincompoop. Good gosh.
Don't get me topsy-turvy. The preposterousness of what you do to my woman is absurd, doctor. As for you, would be flabbergasted to know that what I am contemplating now is not on the vein of present undertaking.
Stay away from me.
Doctor! You hear me, man? Me man go learn Spanish.
You don't understand nothing what I say. Oh, Lord. Little girl. You want it in English, darling? Ever lick it?
No!
I'm going to lick out your nothing.
Why? Help! Daddy! Jesus!
Empty your mouth!
No!
Leave her alone.
just in there for money again. We are going so far home. Lay down. Jesus, Miss Del, stay with me. Stay with me, Del. Don't look in the light. Come back, Del. Don't look in the tell me what you again, please.
500,000.
One now. $2 million. Yeah, serious work. This will come with complications. 12 foot and big nose.
Okay, $2 million. But do not let your boss or Thelma know about this.
A secret. So we can never tell me a secret. I never knew it was a secret. I have bad belly. I can't keep down nothing. Come here, my friend. Tap it up to $3 million, please. May I beg you?
3 million? No.
If she not give her what we are going to do.
Me not dash my belly.
Thank you.
I think you need to take a look at that, you know.
What am I looking for?
I'm quite sure that woman is not me, but that man is you.
What part of that man look like me?
You know, apart from the fact that your name is at the bottom of the video, Granny T. Jones, would you like me to prove that that is you?
Then Sherlock Holmes. Is me alone named Granny T. Jones? Come with something better than that. If you have nothing better, cut your damn bed. You hear me?
So you're telling me that that is not you?
Obviously.
And I don't know my own husband.
Well, obviously.
Can you tell me for a damn idiot? I need an explanation, you know.
What is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you, woman?
I need an explanation as to why you got a video.
Listen, don't bother me. Don't bother me. Listen, leave me alone.
You need him for an idiot. I need an explanation as to why you're on a video having...
Please say I know me. Don't come ask me what the explanation. Don't ask me for the explanation. Leave me alone.
So that is not you.
Alright. Okay. It's me, Thelma. You want an explanation? I was starring a show. You feel better now? And I didn't go on here all the way. Okay. See there. Now you what you want now, Thelma? Oh, leave me alone. You hear me? Leave me the hell alone.
But how could you do that to me?
You what, Thelma?
Well, you see that whore that is on the video? She can have it. I can't believe you would do something like this to me, you
It's
know.
always no problem, you know. You always come start something so you can't finish. And the other thing too, you know. You can't be coming in here, come call Rose and word like that, you know. Because Rose...
Rose?
Whoa.
As in Rose at your office, Rose?
Whoa.
And you're having an affair with Rose?
Thelma, I tell you, there's a logical explanation to all of this, you know. And you know what, this one, you're going to laugh when I explain it to you, see. No, Thelma, wait, no, man.
Don't touch me! Jenny! Jenny, we have to leave because...
I want you. This is what's up. What up to you? The one is calling you. Only the part I will rush number. You see, anyone who got that dead. Anyone who got notification that dead. Oh, anyone who got that dead. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. That tell you, man. That dead. Oh, that dead. Not dead. Thelma, back it up. Thelma, no linger. Thelma, take what you say.
Why? Why? This time, Mama, you want to that they are grown man.
Delcita is about to have a baby. Call the driver, Wright. Call the driver.
Delcita is about to have the baby. Call the driver. Call the driver. Delcita is about to have the baby. Call the driver. Call the driver. Oh, God. Jesus. I'm tired of doing this. Hello. Oh, hi, Rose. Rose, calm yourself. Rose, it's not as if I left the phone keyless or anything like that. But of course, I know your father is a minister of religion, Rose. No, but you're being unfair, man. No, but this is affecting my career more than yours. Look, calm yourself. None. When you call me back. Gee.
My earth! God know my earth! I'm here go there now, go Baba Will and people in the more than me. All my legs up on your skin sharp like bubblegum. So damn bright. Hey, come here. What are we breathing a little girl up here? Couldn't look at donkey for breathing dirty, man. Even if they want him to jump up in the face, no boy, nah, yo. But you may know you're going to lick my back. When I know about me,
You know what is your problem? You always come barge into people's houses, you know, and then you run off your mouth about things that you know nothing about.
remember say me write the newspaper and I know everything where I want to the grapevine. Do I know that? Outside, I'm right. Talk to me.
I assume you're referring to Delcita, right?
It struck a nerve.
Well, for your information, Delcita got paid $6 million to have that child, eh?
Somebody pass my pressure pill. Me not feel so beautiful. That dirty doctor wait until I wall her.
What are you referring to?
I know your argument this, sir. And the doctor will come up on the health program a morning time.
Oh, okay. But listen to me. I tried to tie up all of my loose ends around the place, you see? So you see that phone you're holding on to?
The phone again?
Yeah, man.
You're coming like a big piece of rabbit in the stomach.
You know, Driver, I don't think you realize just how much you're pushing it in.
I know me not push it, me not stop till you go over the cliff.
So you really think you can hold on to that phone forever, don't you?
Mr. Driver, I'm change gear regular. Let me tell you a story, because you don't understand something, you know. Once upon a time, there was a little boy sitting in the riverbank. The alligator said to the little boy, "Little boy, come into the water, let us show you something." The little boy said, "Go on, feet, bring, come at my seat." The alligator laughed and said, "Caca fart in the bed, laptop, Ray!"
So, Driver.
Eh?
The alligator laugh and say, what?
I don't know how much you get for your flesh now, but I don't get $1.5 million for your skin. You have to fix them, but you know.
So, but I don't see the relevance of that story.
Yes, I'm right, man. Figure it out, man. I will erase there, Pandy.
You know, you're right. I am not right, man, and I figure it out, and I figure that I'm tired that you're
Jesus! No! Suppose if I drop on my head back and can't remember nothing. I trim them half guard in a coming. No, I can't fight. That's why I don't like fight and quint.
You love to tell stories, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
I have a story for you. Come in. Come.
Alligator.
Come close. A little close.
about the shark.
Once upon a time, you see, we're talking about right here in Jamaica, too. We had this very popular politician. So this politician had a little henchman that went around and did all his dirty deeds, you know. But after a while, the henchman started to believe that he was as powerful as the politician. One day, he had an altercation with the politician's wife. And you wouldn't guess what he did.
Remember me just, man.
He boxed the woman down flat on the ground.
No, man, I see what's up with this. What a dirty man like that, man. A woman's strength him about a should have me box. Oh, me I just flick like a dollar kind.
But you know, I'm not sure exactly where in Dove cut his headstone, is it?
Oh, Jesus, somebody flick him up here. Then you have me a cuss dead man after me have me yellow catch for Belfast. What are you, man? Oh.
I would have sent you up here to have a look at it.
King Kong. You see me look like cemetery security? You ever see me walk on the door behind me the pound? I know you have tried, but it now work. A friend you try friend me. Me a boy me no name bread for my heart.
So, you think I need to try and frighten you?
I never seen a police when you're down here. That simple tell me that you're not bad.
Well, let me tell you something, you see? You see, I wanted to get rid of you. All I would have needed to do would have been that.
Then you're fully, eh? But make you never remember that it's you bring me come here. Eh? I have me a root to your sorry mommy. Sure. For 9 months, you've carried me, growing inside of you. I'm afraid of you.
You think that I need to send for somebody to deal with you?
Yeah, that's a step.
So you think that because I'm a politician and I have to carry myself a certain way, you can take certain steps with me and I can't run about it?
Yep.
Well, let me tell you something, you see. As a matter of fact, dirty boy.
Oh, Jesus, I told me
I can't go down in that.
I told me
You know, Delcita just delivered a while ago.
Boy or girl?
5 boys and 1 girl.
Thelma, I must tell you here, my job here is finished and I would like to have the rest of my money. Thank you.
What exactly do you mean by your job here is finished? Did you take a look in that room? You need to sort that mess out to come here talking about money.
Mess? What mess are you talking about?
You're so incompetent. Leave this in.
And you're so blasted ungrateful. I cannot imagine. I cannot even think about it. You sit on your lazy behind and couldn't have 1. And I gave you 6. 6 for heaven's sake. Why don't you go round them up and make a nursery out of them, woman? Let me tell you something. We've been friends for quite a while, you know. So let's not let money get in our way. Cause 1 injection and you're out.
So is that a threat?
Read between the lines, you're a bright woman. Good God. Last ungrateful. Couldn't have 1 and I gave you 6 and you sit there complaining. Good gosh.
Miss Thelma, me tired, ma'am. God know me tired. Me can't go no further, ma'am. A 2 breasts, God bless me with another 6. I never on there
What is it that you want me to do, Delcita?
Pay me balance and me money make me good old ma'am. And me 196 of them and then crib then me can't take it.
You know, I want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me very carefully, see? Out of the 6, you will have to go home with 4, because I can only manage to take 2.
Me if you go home with 4. So when you see me I walk around pregnant, make you tell me say hard I put in.
Listen now, Delcita. You're going to have to take those 4 and go home with. Because the money you were getting was sufficient to take care of the children.
Doctor, you know say I 40 a chat do. You know from her to me now. Say me got cheap picking your country 3. And me pick your home 4 and 3. 4 and 3 hour 8. Me now go with them.
You know, for some reason I thought
I'm going to help you with the
Wait, baby born. Don't you never tell me say baby born?
Daddy Delcita had 6 kids.
6? Well, at 15 I want to make it. So we can go on the 6. But there's one thing I want you. Yes, that blasted politician, get rid of that. Tell me. I go upstairs.
You know, I not only refuse to believe that you have the audacity to go and file for a divorce, you know, tell me. But you give me 6 jackets on top of it. What? None of those children are mine, you know. None of those children are mine.
So what are you doing here? Shirking your responsibilities already?
That's how you can come with. Let me tell you something.
I don't hear anything from you.
You don't know the other side of me yet, you know. But doctor first. Right on time.
Oh.
I need to know what you did with my sperm, you know.
What? Why you even sperm?
I use it, of course, sir.
Use it where? None of those children belong to me.
Have you checked
every flipping one of them?
I go and check them now.
Let me tell you something, Mr. Woman. You said that money that you got paid is taxpayers' money. And at some point, someone will have to account for it.
Hi, listen up. A pure politician, Mr. Ronald.
Imagine that.
Hi.
Think about that.
Hardly drop off of the bed. Bruce pick him up. Push her skin out. They can't find Peter. Mama count him finger.
Imagine you ask and I deliver. You and your wife are so ungrateful. Go round them up and make a mercy out of them. I'm still ungrateful. You get out of my way. For the mercy, goodness.
Hey, this is signal, man. You bounce me now. Choker. Oh, Jesus. I hope you shot of vitamin C. What a big orange.
Me glad say you come.
What? You know it?
Yeah.
Shh. I'm a pet.
Make him move and go here, me man. So, Mr. Jones, since you get the money, you take him buy a jacket.
What are you talking about, Delcita?
It's 6 round there, sir. Don't you them for sure?
It seems so, Delcita.
You sure?
Yep.
D, you remember the time when me tell us that me I go to New York and we cut the last little piece? You did use condom?
Come on to the people them clean nice house with your dusty body.
It's alright. Don't worry yourself. Me I come out. You don't know what happened to you. You don't know say 6 you get round there. Yes, man. Me know your man love play that. Me know when you don't go lick your 6.
Honey, you know I'm pregnant.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My daughter pregnant.
Really, Thelma? Oh, God. Thelma, really?
Yes. Hey, Ronnie, me me never like, you know, but now that him and grandfather, they don't look good together. I'm proud of you. Aye. I feel real good.
You know, Ronnie? Ronnie, I did not say it was yours. You know.
Then tell me, if it's not mine, then it's yours. Driver!
Tell me, how breed you?
Hey, man, you block up my shirt with the face, you know. Chop.
Yeah, man, go on, guilty as charged. You know what you do. Mr. Jones, no worry yourself, no worry yourself. Oh, God, look how they stress out your face. No mind, because me there for you still, you know. Hey, me like you long time, you know. You see, first time me come here and see you, you don't know what me say to myself. Is a pity you already have a wife. Hey, trust me, man. When me tell you, so you see you and Delcita to the world.
Put your hands together and welcome back on stage the players. The doctor. The only Ramsay doctor in Jamaica. Put your hands together for the doctor, played by Trudy Campbell. The woman who would go to any ends to give her husband a child. Welcome on stage, Pepper Jones, played by Shermane Wisdom. You know, under other circumstances, you know, people would say this gentleman has been around the block. He's been the mama man. He's been the bashment granny. Now he's Max James. Put your hands together. Welcome on stage, Max James, Maxwell, mama man. Randy Jones is played by Donald Matras Thompson. You know, this gentleman had you in stitches, had you rolling all over the halls. Everybody loves him around the place. Put your hands together and welcome the driver, Kid Shebada Ramsay! Well, thank you very much for coming out, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. There's one more to go. The woman with the hustled tongue. Put your hands together. Welcome, Delcita. Played by Ramsay.